Okay, well, you see the Columbia River. We are passing over that low, so that's the border between Oregon and Washington. So that mountain off to the left there has to be Adams. See a shot of it there, and then we have to the left, that's got to be Mount St. Helens. And then in the middle, just over the edge of the right wing, is got to be Mount Rainier off in the distance. So yeah, Portland is down off to the left there, ways crossing into Washington. So see Mount Hood behind us. So anyway, we're doing pretty good on elevation. We're dropping elevation. Airspeed is good, 120 miles an hour. Need to start heading to the left. Turn to the right, pardon me. So that's showing me places. When I push this button here, this is the trigger on the stick. It's supposed to show you sights, I guess. That's not even the right word, I don't know. Anyway, let's just turn to the right and head towards Mount Adams. I don't know the elevation of Mount Adams, so I don't know if I'm going to try to fly over the top of it or not. Yeah, that's definitely St. Helens off to the left, I can tell, because the top of the mountain's missing. So anyway, we'll just head directly towards Adams and then directly towards Mount Rainier, and maybe stop it before we get to Rainier. I'm starting to feel a little, I've been home a little while and I'm starting to kind of drag. So I might not make it to landing at SeaTac. We'll at least get pretty close to Mount Rainier. And that is St. Helens off to the left. They'll be visiting that pretty soon. And oh, look at that! Oh my goodness, see, I'm not really able to fly. I'm too tired. I'm tuckered after my bad day at work. So we'll cruise by this, and then that's it. I'm gonna have to go away. Just worn out. Mount Adams is pretty tall, isn't it? Given time, I could have cruised over the top of it. And I might even be able to cruise over the top of Rainier. And I might try to do that tomorrow. I might see if I can possibly get up high enough to do that. See, look how slow this thing is now. I'm gonna make it so anyway. I just want to make it through this saddle and then get as close to it as I can. Oh boy, I am zonked out. I am just tired. I'm worn out. It was hard to work a full-time job on my feet. I'm almost 62 years old. I'm just worn out. So I don't know much about Mount Adams or Rainier. I do know quite a bit about Mount St. Helens. And I've studied it over the years. And I might have said this earlier, an earlier video, that I heard the explosion of Mount St. Helens. And I'll talk about that as we come back from Seattle and approach that. There's a whole big story there. Pretty interesting. And I wonder about the the people, a couple of different people that are still up there, were killed. Anyway. So, yeah, glad that this thing's working. I hope that this internet connection problem will fix itself, because I have internet on the computer. So, I'll do my best to come back tomorrow after work. Hopefully I'll feel like flying this distance. As you can see, Rainier off in the distance is not that far away. Oh, come on, baby. You're doing alright. Definitely wouldn't be able to cruise over the top of this at the moment. But I'll try to set up, I'll try my best to get tall enough to go over Rainier tomorrow. So let's start oh gosh, yeah, my warning, my stall warning. I'm not able to focus right now. So let's just aim the plane towards Rainier, and we'll come back and try to tackle that one tomorrow. 14,400, I believe, is what I said. I'm stalling. I'm pushing this plane, that's for sure. If I was in a big jet, or a Learjet, I could easily, no problem. Could get so high you wouldn't even be able to look down and see it. See any of this wonderful stuff. That's a nice thing about these small little planes. You get to see a lot. Okay, I'm almost 10,000 feet, so I'm going to start letting off the stick. And there we go, we let completely off of it. Let's see what the plane will do. It's veering to the right a little bit, but now it's coming back. So we're pretty in line. I've been wondering before, do I need to calibrate my joystick? I don't know. I don't know if I can or need to. Oh, golly, but I know I need to go. I need to sign out of this. I need to save it right here, and we'll be back. So, let's go ahead and do that. So, anyway, that's going to be it for this part. And I'll be back as soon as I can and continue this flight to Mount Rainier, Washington. That's it. Thanks for watching.